Hello and welcome to another episode of Colorful Finance. This is the second part of the best affiliate programs to join as a beginner in 2022. Make sure to watch the first video to understand from where we stopped. Without further ado, let's start the video. 1. Bluehost Affiliate Program. Bluehost is one of many web hosting companies that are a part of 𝐦𝐤𝐤. Their customers include a wide range of different businesses, including startups and freelancers. We also make it possible for people to earn commissions by referring us business. It's one of the best affiliate programs in this roundup by earning potential, paying at least $65 per referral. That's why Bluehost is mentioned so many places. It's a lucrative offer that's similar to most other web hosting affiliate programs. Plus, it makes for a good recommendation for beginner bloggers and those who are just starting out in the world of blogging. They can get quality web hosting without feeling like they're doing something unethical. So what are you waiting for? Make Bluehost the default choice for your next blog or online business venture, and it will be full steam ahead. High volume of Bluehost sales can result in high affiliate income. The affiliate program is one of the highest paying affiliate programs in this roundup. Why you should promote Bluehost? They've been around for a very long time and are now trusted by the industry to provide excellent hosting options. They also have a reliable affiliate program that converts up to 6% of visitors into sales. Their commission rate is $65 per sale, and we pay out after 120 days on all of our products, which include web hosting. 2. Elementor Affiliate Program. One of the most popular WordPress templates is Elementor. It's often the first one professionals use on a design project because it's so easy to use. Elementor has made publishing easy for tens of thousands of people who don't have the coding skills to develop a more sophisticated website. They now can present themselves in a sleek, modern way with just a few clicks. Many businesses use Elementor because it is cost-effective, powerful, easy to use, and always has the latest features. This tool can help power 8 million websites across hundreds of industries. If you're looking to sell it to your clients, Elementor also comes with a marketing team who will guide you through the process of marketing and selling this software. There are many other WordPress page builders on the market, but Elementor just does a better job marketing itself. This means you can recommend a product that operates precisely as it says, with high quality and efficiency. In comparison to the other programs we reviewed in our series, this one offers a 50% commission per sale. That would be $24.50 per sale or $499.50 for an agency license. Which is beneficial because it provides a great customer acquisition strategy. Why you should promote Elementor? They have a great product that's simple to use, easy to sell, and can generate a lot of money for you. The commission rate for the plugin is 50%. The cookie duration is 30 days. You can pay with PayPal and purchase WordPress Page Builder. 3. Flex Offers Affiliate Program. There are a couple of reasons why Flex Offers doesn't get a lot of attention from new affiliates. It's less well known than larger affiliate networks, and it's difficult to navigate. And that's too bad because, from our experience, they have always been very friendly and supportive of affiliates when it comes to issues or inquiries. The second is that their business model means they pay a lower commission than the industry standard. That's because Flex Offers take their own cut from your referral and make you an affiliate of theirs in the process. This way they get more business while you also generate income. However, the beauty of this approach is that it gives the chance to affiliates who otherwise wouldn't have been approved for these offers. They are able to promote a variety of credit card programs and earn commissions from them. Another great way to use Flex Offers is to find companies that are affiliated with it that they may not advertise on their homepage, but do offer a program through its network. Flex Offers also offers the Net 7 payment scheme, which is one of the best in the industry. Weekly payments lets you plan ahead better since paychecks usually come out every 2 weeks. Why you should promote Flex Offers? New affiliate marketers can take advantage of this by having access to various affiliate programs. They also won't have to deal with rejection since they're dealing with only one network. Commission rate varies. 4. Shopify Affiliate Program. Shopify is a popular, easy-to-use platform for us to sell products online. A lot of small businesses use it to streamline and optimize their e-commerce business. With 𝐥𝐤 Edits, you don't need to know any technical terminology or develop your site. Want to minimize the risk of failure when you start a new business? That's not all. Your visitors can choose from plans starting at $29 per month. But no more than $299 per month, or a fraction of what a custom online e-commerce solution would cost. That's why as many as 1.7 million businesses use Shopify. One reason that they make a great choice for affiliates is that they have a solid reputation and are well known worldwide. Shopify is often the first place small business entrepreneurs start when they're starting a new online store. They make it so easy and quick to set up your store, you won't want to spend your time telling people what Shopify is or how it works. This affiliate program offers a 200% commission rate, made up of 100% on the first 2 payments from your customer. Earning potential is one of the best reasons to go with ClickFunnels affiliate program. When compared to most other programs, it has a much higher earning potential, or at least as high of one. Why you should promote Shopify? They offer aspiring online entrepreneurs a simplified way to start an e-commerce store. They also offer the highest commission rate of any of the affiliate programs in this roundup. Their affiliate program provides a commission rate of 100% on the first 2 payments and pays out in 30 days. They additionally accept PayPal as our primary payment method. 5. Fiverr Affiliate Program. Fiverr started in 2010 as an online service that lets you get any job done for $5. It all started over 10 years ago as a company that helps self-employed individuals find the right businesses for their expertise. Now, thousands of creators use it to earn a full-time living by providing their services to customers from all around the world. AI workers are also good for small businesses because they provide the flexibility of hiring staff without having to commit to a full-time position. This can be particularly helpful when there is skill or expertise needed that is not regular. The Fiverr affiliate program eliminates the need to manually find and promote new offers by connecting potential sellers with a marketplace of 3 million creators. Whether you offer digital marketing, spiritual counseling, or anything in between, you can be matched with a supplier. That's why it can be one of the easiest programs for beginners to get involved with marketing. There are Fiverr gigs that suit everyone and they're available via 𝐥𝐤𝐬 Affiliate by Conversant. You can also find gigs in the program through Fiverr themselves. But your main focus as an affiliate marketer should be on their commission payment structure, because you can earn even up to $150 per referral, which is pretty impressive when you compare it to financial affiliate programs. Why you should promote the Fiverr affiliate program? They are a leading name in the gig workspace with a commission structure that can make it worthwhile to promote their service. Their commission system is competitive and allows you to earn up to $150 per referral. Your cookie duration is set at 30 days and they accept many different payment methods including checks, direct deposit, or Payoneer. You can offer a range of products including both digital services and physical products. 6. Link Connector Affiliate Program. Link Connector is totally another one of those affiliate networks you've probably never heard of, even though it's been in use by major affiliation experts for a while. That's because they have a huge range of merchants to choose from, with more well-known ones as well. So what sets it apart as a network for beginners? That's because they're too busy trying to make just a couple quarters from Amazon commissions to look for other options. The downside is that the interface is outdated, to say the least. But if you disregard the poor user interface, this network has a lot to offer both new and experienced affiliate marketers alike. Why you should promote Link Connector? It's easy to overlook mobile apps when considering what platforms are best to promote your affiliate links on. However, they have the potential to provide a range of merchants with higher commission rates and access you a dedicated affiliate manager. Commission rate, it depends on the product you are promoting. Cookie duration, it depends. Payment methods, check, PayPal. Products, big variety of different products. 7. Rakuten advertising. Rakuten is an online retailer that started their affiliate marketing network in 2005. They stopped using the name Rakuten Link Share and shifted to Rakuten Ad 2 years ago after completing a rebranding effort. This network represents a bunch of big brands but also thousands of smaller merchants with a really diverse range of products. There are a plethora of products and services you can promote to suit just about any niche. One of the reasons you should sign up for Rakuten is that it has a low barrier to entry. They don't require anything other than an active website and no promotion of violent or hateful content. Why you should work with the Rakuten affiliate network. When you become an affiliate of 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤, they will get you promotional rights to over 8,000 different merchants and provide you with the tools necessary to sign up other affiliates. They've been a part of the industry for 20 years and are one of the oldest affiliate networks in existence. Commission rate, it depends on the products you are promoting. Cookie duration, also depends on the products you are promoting. Payment methods, check, direct deposit, PayPal. Products, various. 8. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤 Affiliate Program. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤 features discounted tech products and ongoing discounts from established brands. You can find great deals on laptops, smart home devices and more. You only have to pay once for a lifetime license as opposed to paying a monthly fee. Custom software is a great investment for entrepreneurs looking to increase productivity and reduce costs. Their affiliate program will then allow you to share the news about these offers with your audience. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤 has products that come in a wide range of categories, such as marketing tools, royalty-free photos, or content optimization platforms. What exactly does this affiliate marketing program have to offer you? You can earn up to 100% commission on all sales referred through your affiliate link. The downside to 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤 is that not every product they provide is of high quality. You should put in the research before purchasing anything. Why you should promote 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐤. They have great discounts on a variety of products and will pay you up to 100% commission when you refer new customers. Commission rate, up to 100%, depends on the product. Cookie duration, 30 days. Payment methods, PayPal, check, direct deposit, wire transfer. Products, software and SaaS memberships. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.